To help mitigate these challenges, Zeta Crezen has developed Korea's first underwater cleaning robot. The K7 is designed to work in unpredictable underwater environments where the safety of divers may be compromised. It has a built-in infrared camera to monitor and record underwater images while cleaning, and is capable of working at depths of up to 20 meters at 0.2 meters per second. Several functional modules can be added or removed to the robot body to best suit the environment, ensuring effective results.
저희 수중 청소 로봇은 수심의 장치를 투입해서 흡입 장치를 이용 저희 모터를 이용하여 우리 배출 호스를 이용해서 외부로
quickly remove sand and debris built up on the bottom without having to empty the water tank or suspend factory operations. It can be used to clean industrial sites that are not easily accessible to humans, such as cooling towers and water tanks at steel mills, power plants, and manufacturing facilities. This helps prevent safety problems while offering improved productivity.
산업재해 요인을 근본적으로 차단하여 제거할 수 있는 측면이 있고, 경제적인 측면으로는 노동 시간을 2분의 1로 단축하고 노동 인력을 10분의 1로 단축시키는 그런 장점 및 특징을 가지고 있습니다.